My name is Anastasia Martindale. I teach at Central Middle School. This is my 4th year here. My students are about 12, 13, 14, so 7th grade and 8th grade. We're starting to learn coding. We'll learn JavaScript. So they just begin from the very, very easy things, and then they move to animations and games. And we also learn a little bit of physical computing. They learn how to program with temperature sensors, light sensors, sounds, and lights. So the first 3 years at Central Middle School, I taught English language learners. So this year, since we're doing computer science, it's a lot of very heavy vocabulary that students have to go through. And what's helped was learning paths, is being able to structure the content to only be able to move through this content when they're confident with one part or when they're showing confidence with it, was really meaningful. So I can give them the vocabulary at first, and then when they demonstrate that they can use it in the way that it should be used and they can understand it, understand what it means, only then they can move to watch the video. And then I know that when they hear those words in the video, they already know what they mean.
This year I was working with a science teacher who has labs that are digital, but they're not very accessible. So she and I worked to take her labs and convert them to its learning so that her students could work through them as a learning path instead of as a lab. Her students have actually thanked her so much in that it helps them so much for her to read the questions out loud to them. This particular teacher has a high number of English language learners, so that embedded support of having her labs with all of the content vocabulary read out loud has really helped her students.